How to change your default signature. Go to your Signing Cloud mobile app. Click on Signature Settings, which will direct you to your default signature. When you click on the signature box, you'd be prompted to update your signature with one of three options. Option 1. Uploading a photo. Click on Gallery, and upload an existing photo from your gallery or photo album. Option 2. Taking a picture. Click on Camera, and snap a photo of the signature you'd like to upload with your phone. Option 3. Handwritten or scribbled signature. Click on Draw Signature, and you'll be prompted to scribble or draw your signature on your screen. Once you're satisfied with the outcome, click Save on the top right corner of the app. You've now successfully changed your signature. You may now proceed to create documents, sign documents, or resolve any pending action on your Signing Cloud account.
Signing Cloud. Sign with confidence.